What is up guys, it's your boy Slappy here and welcome back to another video on the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial showing you guys how to add cars to GTA 5 using the add-on method. Now it's pretty simple and easy. All you have to do is do what I do, because in my first attempt I was so successful I couldn't believe it, so I decided to make this tutorial. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is download a few stuff that will be needed to mod GTA 5. All these things will be linked in the description, so you can just go down into the description and download them. First of all, we need to get the car that we're going to be using into the game. So I've already found my car. It's a 2016 Dodge Challenger. All you have to do is to go to GTA 5 mods. There's also going to be a link to in the description for this as well. So you go to that site, you go to vehicles, and you search for the vehicle that you want. As I said, I wanted to do the Dodge Challenger 2016, so this is the one that I'm going to download. So I'm going to click on the download link and also click right here. I've already downloaded this, so I won't actually download it again. Next thing that we need is Simple Trainer. Now all these things are really necessary for the installation of the game. So you're going to click on Simple Trainer and then you're going to click the download button. Again, I've already downloaded this, so I don't need to. Third thing is ScriptHookV. This is the base mod for GTA 5. This is where you can add a lot more other mods, but this is needed. So you're going to go down to downloads and click the download link. I've already downloaded it, so I won't do it again. Finally, we're going to need this OpenIV. This is what we're going to use to add the mods to the game. Without OpenIV, nothing can be done. So you're going to click the download link right here and it's going to download. I've already done it, so I won't do it again. Okay, so after you've downloaded all the stuff that I linked in the description, you should end up with 4 different things. ScriptHookV, OpenIV, the car mod that you want to add to the games or the files, and TrainerIV. So what we're going to be doing now is installing the mods into GTA 5. Firstly, let's install OpenIV. Continue. I accept, continue, install. Yes, I want to download this amount of information. So while that is downloading, we're gonna go to Steam and we're gonna find GTA 5 game directory. So we're gonna go GTA 5 properties, local file, browse local file, and this is where GTA 5 game directory is, right here. Now the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna open ScriptHookV. You're gonna need WinRAR. Hopefully you have WinRAR installed already, or you should just go to a website and download it. It's pretty free. You're gonna copy all these things, all the documents in the bin file in ScriptHookV, and you're gonna copy them into GTA 5. Now I've already done it, but I'm just gonna replace it just for the purpose of this tutorial. Close this one right here. Go back to the folder. We're gonna open TrainerIV. We're gonna copy these 2 things, which are TrainerIV ASI and TrainerIV TrainerV INI. And you're gonna copy them into GTA 5 game directory, just like what I did. Now we're finished with these 2 things, that is the ScriptHookV and the TrainerIV. Now this is what we're gonna do after the OpenIV is finished installing. My internet is really bad, that's why it's taking me forever to download 26 megabytes of data. So when it is finished, I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Okay, so it's finally done installing and I'm gonna click close. I'm gonna open it right here. So pretty much what we're gonna be doing now is installing or adding the add-on car data to GTA 5 data. Now we're gonna go here, GTA 5 Windows. We're gonna browse the location for the GTA 5. Now I install my game on a second hard drive. You probably know where yours is, but if you don't know, just do the thing that I just did. Go to properties, browse local files, browse local files. You're gonna follow it right here. So you should browse. It says SSD, SSHD, then you go to games, then you go to Steam, then you go to common or Steam apps, then you go to common, and you go to GTA 5. Now this is the game directory. I'm gonna press select folder. Now once it's selected and it's the right folder, you should see successfully GTA 5 exe. You're gonna go and continue. Then you're gonna click continue, and then it's gonna be starting, doing what it needs to be done to mod the game. Alright, so once it's finished, you're gonna get this, no thanks. You're gonna get the game directory in OpenIV. I'm gonna close this because I don't really need it anymore, and this. Alright, so once we are here, this is good. That means we're progressing in the tutorial. Now you're gonna go back and you're gonna open, or I already did open it, the car mod that I'm gonna be adding to the game. Alright, so what we're gonna do first, oh, I should have told you to do this from a longer time, but we're gonna go back to the game directory for GTA 5. So let's go back to the game directory for GTA 5. You're gonna create a folder by clicking new folder, and you're gonna name it mods. I already named it mods, and I've added the thing inside of it already. So once you've named the folder mod, you're gonna copy your update file. Now this is going to ensure or prevent you from having to download the entire game again. So you're gonna copy the update file, you're gonna go here and you're gonna paste it. Now once you do this, when you do mods or any editing of the files, you're gonna be actually editing the mod files. So if you want to delete it, if something happens or something get corrupt, all you have to do, right click and delete, and you'll be good. Bear in mind, fair warning, do not go online with this mod or you will get banned. I don't know if it's true or not, but I was told this in the tutorial that I watched, so I suggest that you follow my advice and not go online using this mod. So once you've created that folder, it's gonna show up here. You're gonna click refresh or something similar, or close it out, go back in, you'll see the mods folder. Click it, this should be here. So what you're gonna do in the car add-on, you're gonna read me, because I've heard that everything or every car maybe have a different installation than the other one, so it's good to read what the developers of this mod says. So installation, OpenIV to change that, add a new line, that. So it's simple steps. It's 3 steps. First of all, we're gonna add this line using OpenIV. So we're gonna copy this. Then we're gonna go to update. You're gonna go to updates. Let's get this over here so I can see updates. Then you're gonna go to update that. I'm gonna close that because I don't want to see it again. And then I'm gonna go to common. Then I'm gonna go to data. Then I'm gonna look for the DLC list. It should be somewhere here. Now I'm going to add a new line to this right here. So what I'm gonna do is that I am going to open it, or I'm gonna go to editing mode first. Right click, edit, go down to the bottom, enter, and I'm going to paste what I copied from here. Click save, stop editing. Now what edit does is that it edits the file. Without pressing the edit mode, you can't edit anything in the data or anything in OpenIV. Now once you click edit, you can edit it. Make sure not to delete anything that you shouldn't, or you will be in problems. So I've finished editing that. Now I'm going to go to the second step. It says copy the 16 Challenger folder into the DLC pack folder. So I'm going to go back, 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 back. So it says update, right? So I'm going to click updates because this said update 64. Then it says DLC packs. Then it says copy the 16 Challenger here. So I'm going to go back to here and I'm going to go to add-ons because we're not doing replace. Update 64 DLC pack 16 Challenger. So I'm going to grab this. I should have extracted this before. Alright, so I'm going to create a new folder I'm just gonna extract everything here into the new folder, close the RAR. So yeah, I'm good. Add-ons, updates, 64, DLC pack, 16 Challenger. We're gonna copy the 16 Challenger in here, but we can't do that because we need to go into editing mode. So I'm gonna click editing mode, copy, place. It's there at the bottom. Edit, stop edit. So that is it, guys. That is how you add a car to GTA 5. I know I made some little mistakes, but if you watch the video you can understand where I went wrong. But before we finish everything, to make sure that the cars can be spawned into the game, we're gonna click this little button here, ASI Manager. You're gonna make sure that the first one is installed, the second one is installed, and if you want to install the last one, that is good. Listen here, do not play GTA Online with modified RPF. You will be banned. This is what the manager says. Follow the manager. So we're going to close out of everything because we've finished installing the mods to the game. Yes, it's finished. And I'm going to go and I'm going to open GTA 5 and I'm going to show you guys that it actually works. So let's press F3. So open trainer IV with F3 and we're going to go down to spawn vehicles and we're going to go straight down to the bottom part that says spawn vehicles by model name, and I'm going to type in the name, which is 16 Challenger, and I'm going to press enter. And there you go, guys, the 16 Challenger is in the game. Just as I said, the mod works exceptionally, and if you want to add different cars, you know, you can just follow the instructions of this video and the readme from the car mod pack and you'll be good. So yeah, guys, if you guys like the video and you guys want to see more content from my channel, more tutorials on GTA 5 or other games, just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment and let me know that you enjoyed the video. So thank you guys, and I hope to see you in many more videos.